somo emu nsɛm a wobɛtie bieni wo man bank ba tan no kasa sɛ wie be afie bɛkɔ na wie ye na IMF sika ye gye de toso mienu no na etumi aba wosi na na dedan kwa kufu ado mra chebedwa fie mu mra mekirem abayibon mra yaje atumu ade na de dada wontumi mfa ne nsanso enhye ase na yesi chimugum ene amoase enya de kro why na kasa asemi yebebie mo ade amawo wode ntete ama mabunu ahanan efa asoye a ehwe yamamre ene ne ho ntotoye ensem no so eso sada ena anwumakuo mako nsia bi esre se esun aban so de beto niema mako aduonu mienu bi ho no wonsan so emre biem na wonu ma ye dwuma e wan krankra yaresemu ene wo mubusa Ghana mampanyini na nadodan kwa kufu ado se nurse fo na gufie no wo mu gufie ye de en wo mu so betimi agibi e wo ma ya asabia no matumi aye dwuma e bi kan wano peya ye ge brede aba be som se sompa anopa no nsia kase bo woyini ni amakrancha do zo sof ma me premai ni kase bo no enchechemu ankasa enie Amradro ya oda o men ye bange batan Dr. Ernest Addison eno de abetu dwa wo kire se International Monetary Fund IMF sika ye je de toso mienu ebe ya America dollars wo pepe miensa ne hwebe afi be kono wie ye de na so my Ghana council so ewomu o enche kura eno me futuro sanso avoka no fori ata ko gina mra chebe dwafie mu a na wo kire mu se eniema nsia bi ya IMF wo hwe ekwan ya potoka sem ye be ka se quantitative performance criteria ni nyina wamahwem ye niema nyina adem toten covid ba ye nhye ya aban ni digu akwam so IMF no wagye atom enu nti enye nwanwa kra safi be kona wie ye no na sika no eyade a ye nsanso etumi aka Dr. Ernest Addison di semi piedwa wo bra na wonum ye umdwumade sunku bi de toso wo ha eni dunum e won kran.
Business and consumer sentiments remain largely stable. Private sector credit growth, however, remains dampened due to risk aversion by banks amid tightened policy conditions and rising credit risk. With continued improvement in the macroeconomic conditions supported by declining inflation, credit conditions are expected to improve with a turnaround in credit ascension to support growth. The external payment position is expected to improve, underpinned by continuous implementation of the IMF-supported program and the Gold for Reserves program, among others. The early completion and settlement of favorable agreements with bilateral creditors and commercial bondholders will help boost confidence and trigger resource flows to the economy. The strong build-up in reserves have provided cushion against external vulnerabilities, including the delay in the cocoa syndicated loan. Reserve build-up will even be stronger by the end of the year on receipt of the cocoa loan and disbursement of the IMF second tranche.
Dr. Ernest Addison and yetin in Kano. Emrasebetwania wo gine mama adisia o Tamale South. On monyamfo Haruna Idrisu and Obusa Ghana mampanyini na nadodan kwa Akufo-Addo. Say 2022 Criminal Offences Amendment Bill. Wade koto mrasebetwafie July bosoni da ne toso aduonu nwotwe. Ya sa emre ya wasansa kire mu no de woka nyina ne se wo ye konfo ye dunsini wo ye difo anasa ankorankora ontumi mo wo bibaye wo gina emra ni nchi amafia pema hankora de osian mu ena wode sa emre de ay ato na niema etisa no ya mra kunini ya ye de ya djuma 1992 constitution no kan pefe sanka sha na vodu nan no esema mpanini gitum na be ya mra wonso de ya twan ti papa are na ndrisu se esema mpani obekirem.
Refer you to Article 106, in particular 106.8 of the Constitution, even though you've captured the words that the appropriate thing be done. The Speaker, the Constitution provides that where the President refuses to assent to a bill, he shall within 14 days after the refusal, state in a memorandum to the Speaker any specific provisions of the bill which in his opinion should be reconsidered by Parliament, including his recommendations for amendment, if any, Or B, inform the Speaker that he has referred the bill to the Council of State for consideration and comment under Article 90 of this Constitution.
When Monya for Haruna Idrusu, ye pen, ye rose, chairman Sabonsu, and so regional say, Chireben, watch them say, Emran Womu, yan woman who sent from Sobi womb, Timampani, and Adrian say, when him Rashabe, Fiamu Chameno, Womu Beshia, now and from Sue Womi a year from Abraham and Penny, a Cradoness, and Rashabe, Fiamu Chamen, so one also no one you.
And I've had calls to discuss this with the Speaker. After the passage of the bill, the usual things that we do, we came back and going through it, we saw major issues. That is from Parliament itself. And then we had some conversation with the Speaker that we need, and also inform the President that there are fundamental issues with the bill which has been passed by Parliament, which prompted the President to indicate that he will then have to have some conversation with the Speaker on this matter.
On Monya for say chairman Sabons, we ye pen and Rashabe, Fia me papa Bambabin, and to the tomb Sam and Penny Cassa and any Yadrin San say, Send ye maybe Bassa, won't she say I first wayeno, Eda Ope Faint, Weno, Mopin Fabiada Emerson.
Parliament as an institution must be taken seriously by everybody in this country. It's for good reason that the framers of the Constitution mandated Parliament to pass laws. And Article 106 is very clear. It says the power of Parliament to make laws shall be exercised by bills passed by Parliament and assented to by the President.
Wey yanana Bambabin. Emrashabe de fie chiame na ye genamua omrashabe de fie mu ye maame a ono na emrashabe de ni ma de hye wo ada ye maame comfort danyo gansa en wo cheche mu se braso se Ghana fo beti ase se ye friend se chimugu mu a e friend sanitary pad no ene amoase entomago ensonso ye wo mu pa na enwa akwakoye nchinywa hyew ebebre se eto a ye de to chimugu mu sanitary pad no mu no aban nyi firi so na ntumi muwa na mayiwa ne ma yebu yensa no yentumi ntobi emfansese ho na ntomago ne saa niema no ayede hye asene nyina ko wiase a ekofensusu aso bone ne yade ene de bre ne titu ene yawodie mu ye maami kasai emrahye bejefi.
This is our pride, and it is not our fault to menstruate. These rural communities are suffering when it comes to menstruation. Mr. Speaker, I have brought evidence to show you, and I will tender the evidence to tell you why we should make it free. Mr. Speaker, this is 20 Ghana in the market, and I spoke to the girls in the rural communities. I went round myself as with a vice chairperson for the women caucus in this house, and I asked them how they afford to get it, and the women told me those who have 4 girls said I have 4 girls who are in their poverty stage and they are menstruating. They cannot use 100 Ghana a month to buy for them because they cannot afford 3 square meals for them in a day.
Sabi eburu ye nuanu me won kronkuma mu 20 cedis obede de akoto echimugu mu di abone ne dross mu wo bra wo chima tie ne akoda bi naso a wo san a wo de san enu so awie ye no kofensu so aso pa ene de ebreyen na ye maami nsem a wo bomu eno no anopa no siabremu kase bo Sompa TV so eno anigu a wo hye ya to de apete Sompa 90.7 Sompa 93.1 Sompa 98.9 wo hini ne amakrancha da source of mami premier ni na mekono kwanto ankuro solo ya mekenkan edi amamono. National Commission on Culture wani UNESCO vaka bom mebunu ahanan wama wom tete ya dia fa won madwuma no ho na emra woni ensentro for twetwe nkomo on at hall na asem tere kakra kakraka wo de to so executive director edema National Commission on Culture Nana Otuo wa hina champon chire mu se de be ye na yenuan mu ibetumi anya fa ahudi wom dwumadie ene wom dwumadie ni sakremu na tumi aboa mantete ya wo de ma wo no wo manya tuahu papa wo dwumadie mu na aboa amoman no akonanim
ye baka na hanyina na ye hwese ye be fre won a ye be kasa artists ya o mo ye edi dwuma ahodo se performing arts visual arts for be ni padodo ahanan ene eche over 400 artists and ye hwese bobo mo no ye bobo mo no ne de aye de ye hwe emra ahodo a e bata ye dwuma ye di ho as Sompa and creatives yenya me obadi adom ya ma ye nimdie sonko ya yadi adwene mu ne yensa enwene ade eya de foforo e kire artists no ye ka mo abom ni a kire the Ghana culture policy ya se make us pre no ye de nipa enimdifo ya Ministry of Tourism and Arts and Culture akamuma omu ye hwehwemu sebe ya Omampanyi dada go for press 2004 ye team no sa culture policy na ye review yes
Wowie ya enuraka ampa ya onu su jiremu ma UNESCO onu so de kakra episo
Dr. Few said the diversity of cultural expressions and the recommendation of status of artists, UNESCO continues to call upon member states to improve the professional, social and economic status of artists. Issues of mobility, which is so eloquently talked about, and protection of rights are critical. The African Continental Free Trade Area, with its secretariat here in Accra, also presents opportunities to expand trade across Africa in goods, services and mobility, derived from the cultural and creative sector, such as crafts, as Dr. Few said.
Nanu yati wa yanka bi nhemu o de be wanse papa ka eti hamon en wahura sie na sam ne sen ya wosen ane enema binum wo wa Ghana fokra e de free kwes kwakwa wintinti kurom de ba abane de so beto so nema makomako aduonu mienu ebi ye yamade kotodwe tiri ho yale ntintin entuntum aduro esichire enema se honyan e ma Ghana fo bi kasa se na yamade de enkrofo gu so se brato a ene ye furka yi na musimu besisi dia Ghana ntwie no wo ma yam niam ebe so ye makoye se pinso say kasai Joint Businesses Consultative Forum ya enum no ye benya Ghana Union of Traders Association Guta, Food and Beverages Association of Ghana, Importers and Exporters Association of Ghana, Ghana Institute of Freight Forwarders, any Chamber of Automobile Dealership Ghana, and a Ghana National Chamber of Commerce. Fuaka bomu se womo sire nyado aban samrebim na bibi ati se no kura no kiamo wono mama ne ansa we di wama ntere de tre ya ne se kukurumi besie wiem esanga yakofade yaba na association chairman John Awuni wakasai.
But previously they have invited us to and informed us not that they want our input on how to boost patronage and consumption of locally produced goods. We have always been we informed us a couple of times, and we rejected and gave city inputs. But all that we realized is that the thing has been sent to Parliament, and we didn't even know the details of it. So the Minister of Trade hasn't done any good work with consultation members. Clearly, we are all Ghanaians, our country. This is where we are all grown up and where our children will grow and live and work. So we...
Papa Winnie, and yet say nanu this seminar na empenifua Wamoda Private Health Providers Association of Ghana nim no mubusa na adran kwa kufado se anesi foa sabere posting si maya omtitifie se ne akombe tumi akoye ye adwuma o private hospital no mu a na no so atumi aboa ne aban ne fa kakra na eja omso de bia piso na kasama afo de mekwe oru aboache donko eno de asemi tudwa se no mombeye se mebunu awie suku titifie a wo nya adwuma biada na so ayasabia woduro bebre wo betumi akoye mu adwuma na wo kasa wo bra omdwumadie bi de toso emiensa wo bra wo madi enzinhia enom 5th anniversary eno de asemi ba ebetu edwa wo se wo kɔ clinic awodo emojadem awodo ayasabe awodo ye ya nkra de no a bebre ye betumi de enkodai akoyihim no metumi so abodwuma na ban no wo twa die
eti yese aban sani ato na so no benefit baaji tu no yensum saa ne nyayamwa ne nkola egufie enye dwuma nye omu twa dajo mu poso mumre mama charge fobi ara ye die muma ye bia enye yi enti abaji atum on the face values aban say nye kana tosum benefit ba nya da tosum di ye de ko aban ho na benefit minister of health omu nya ye nya chance abubo hu ne no na je o maja tumu ye nim amaka nya tosum senya be ye no mo be yo eno ne asem no eti minu kase enkata bibiri ko ebisu nam kwa so ko ba bi ese bi ko bia se ye sraban ye pese bo Ghana etuma ne bi ni ho anko votimi ebie nyuma si de na ye matifi eduma no wa ye hioma ye duma na amase ni puso ma because o ya anko dia say o ko tag for so ya anko dia e aso bi dia o ma me a utwereka o munya faso o mo de brewo ebi eti dia ese nya aban chance se ko sewi mpa ye nche o dwe bi nso ntwe bi e na ye ya bo ban say ye onuma no baba uni nyuma tinkwale kufi ozo training kwala no ozo fo mo bra you scratch my back asatro back na o man no fa nto ma penfra tini mie de nyuma no mo ne kwala yin binye ubi school a kwa boche untrafie ma hozo wato
MPP amanyokuo ya watu atudom kuo bi no mu wom ataka na dika ho papa nya hotema kro ka ho amwakoba ka ho Rakubro benso ka ho wo mu nyina ya tuatudom a wo mate party ni so atua na nanu ya afofra be ka ho Boniface Abubakar Sadiki Hofsin Adoye wahini nto wo mo so adane atuatedom emenam so party no apam wonom so mo fo mo kuku no mo kaka nkobone o mo koye ne sen papa ala kwadwo kire maten say wafiri so no achi sabredi wo afafranto wotu kobo apew no wotu akobo apew afafranto yelu na no yini nto mo so aye o madwe so mo ne sa afafranto no ene betutu na yini to akasa say mampani kufo de wo kasam kire no a wotie pa na so da fom na ranko akufo ado titintinti bibie ni wo ya wo ka kire no a wotie na kanti sa ebra kan wo fori ata wo mo ye se wono ana manyokuo mu mra hyebedwafo bi sa ye yie na ba na wo chesa betumi age wani sunti ko won sore na obi nso meboa no se besi ne alata mo mo eno a ena ekoso eti wahini to wo se bone be no ye so akogi papa ala kire maten achinti ne apam no na nasem nyina de tiawa na nakufado wo kasem kire no a wentie
enti so be a we no your party ni kra not the party ni mpo catch the show the president adie we die we talk so ye dey so ye party for no ya dire ye nke ye ni say o ye president o na kutumi kudo o ka jaw say na me president e se so na say na ku for the president MP majority of parliament president say ye hunu kan ka te juma dia duro no na me nko no bi from that president ku for the na me president ono wa de bedi ampa so ono na dia between there enti na wo ko he party nko na wo ko yi president na party for kura bibi wo party wo ni nyekwa wo se me na kuta tumi enti yampa wo bia yabe party for kasa ye ni dala jamatin so oyobia okasa otie president kufo sei ye hunu ne sa oyobia okasa otie na kufo de presidency niema bebre ka wonti obia me feel say ho ne de ono aso se chentina what high but about miachi ye type about miachi and no de me gidi nka emo party na so party na take decision e bia and ye wontumi nko de betimi ye mu ben betimi aye ne se enipa ye nya gidi na ne dwuma wa ye every time ya papa every time obey 3 minutes for 4 time the time of somebody 3 minutes for the time ni awotimi aye no so okachira wo say metimi adane Ghana ni mayisi kasem ni egegisem emeburu benya dwuma ye mfiri dwuma bekoso ye no krepa
Nana wa yini to ene ete na no disem no na ba beto adwa wo kire Mr. Mitsubishi Pajero bi an number ne ye GS 3236-17 we che jade atum ahene yam te ewo apentum buom no so bosome frɛ ho na wo mu kire mu sɛ osusu sɛ asrafo bi enede kai yi ekokoro no bo wo bra papa bi a wono no wo di gold hu dwai bi wo de kwabo no koro no na kyese ne mabuni sɛ gira hwai na ne ye yenso ye nkyira wo mafia papa na wo mo nyamfo lot wadu asare wo ya sambiri man wono ena ne Sompa etwetwe nkomoyi
omo baaye no omo ebo ni prum ekatro ne se omo ye asrafo enti ono nso ebo no modern free obi se ono agasa mu de anajo sa abrede na de obesoro enti obi emra na omesia omo na de enti a baaye no ono omo nkasa nipa ne baaya ne se omuso ne mu te omuhia 4 billion efiri ne ho eye sika dada no eno nti nipa no enini ti koma kusi se onya se sika ne ma wo na mo gyina ho ne de 7,000 eye ene sika no ene se ne ho enti so mo beti dia omo saase ebra o ka asa no bo no e de ababo ni trim e de soka na eno achi na nipa no omo ko ne so no hu se da bi wampia bi a mo betimi edi ne bone a eso enje se opie baaya ono nso omote no kwose baabi ebobo na sika kro na omo nso edimandi free ne ho ebi bono no na ebi nso ewura ne dem edomu wura dem no bra na yere wo ho no omo seche ema sika bi omunya no dem obi ano omo etime fine eno mu na aso nso pie ema omo kan na aso to from titi and say omo pe omo bowura na aso dem nso sika bi ewo ho bia omo fine na omo wie ni nyina no eyade abrante na timi afra me bra na o se dem no ama me so mabeka esiwa police fo ho ya agese ye mu bi akwa pentugom na yakobo abrante no agina pretorent ma eto ni ni na numu no mo sa ma ye nya ne tie se nkofo na wie e di abrante na sekam etuka no a omo do omoni atere esiwa kwan so
wei ayedi esi ye wa apentubuom ye wo bosome frɛ ho ɛso na megira no pay na makamfo mizo 5G enso dia ma wo sɛ ya nom de a no kwasem nie unum bi etimi hye ni padua no ma wo ye kama wo ye wo topon wo jawade wo ho tew na wudi wa woda anu nie bomodien so bejo de 21st clinic yes we are the sciatica expert ye to asintin twetwe wo hye ugina ni paduanum hypertension ni nuanu mekeka ho nyina 15 branches across Ghana bowram na kwaja ya hye asante eboa Benedict where samufo penikuku Veronica the evergreen jandro akoso so mo amese Japan bebo adwuma papa safo kantankan so gina mo MCR ho a wo chekere so a me ma menso mabeto apetsen wosonfo wo hinini amakrancha dozo of mami premier ni asante mai ageme atomu amami defufro wo bapa amesa yes sorry die yewura omahe ya wadubu ache wodi ade ache bia dwumedie no etwaso
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no